Hi, it's Derek Carpenter with Ryan Daughter and Associates. Today I'm with Mario, and you are a watchmaker.
Yes,
see?
watchmaker.
And a watch fixer-upper.
Yeah.
And you used to be on the bridge, see, on Insurgents, and now you're Insurgents and Aquiles
Aquiles
Serdan.
Serdan.
Perfecto. So did you always have a thing for fixing things or watches, or?
Yeah, there's a fixed watches, no more. This is everything. The máquinas, pan, pin, reparation.
See, anything to fix the latest watch, Ben's watch, doesn't matter. If it's a digital watch, see, digital, see.
Digital, wine, cuerda, automatic, quartz, everything.
So the batteries or any mechanism, the screw, if somebody told you have a screw loose, this is the guy to see. It's about your watch,
Yes.
not like me. Did you fix watches when you were little? Como niño? Okay, te gusta.
Yeah.
See?
De niño.
Did you study to fix, or were you apprentice somewhere? How did you learn to fix watches?
My father, yo desde de fixed watches, ya desde mi de oficio.
Okay.
Oficio, mi de 10 years. De 10 years, ese es work de trabajo, relojería.
Okay. Everybody says you're great. Lots of people, if you're watching, you probably know Mario, you've seen him, or you've gotten your watches fixed by him. So, anyone else, if you need something fixed? And what does the price start at? ¿Le precio?
Different. You this is the mechanism, the change the mechanism, the battery, the bank. This is different price.
But you can say, okay, this will need 100 pesos, and it'll take me an hour, and then they come back? Okay,
Yeah.
perfecto. Okay,
Yeah.
Mario, come and see him. Gracias.
Gracias for you.